Okay, I just want to do a short video on this. This is 04 crf450. It before I got it, it dropped the right intake valve and destroyed stuff. Like it jackhammered the bottom of the valve back up into the head, cracked the jug, bent the connecting rod to the crank. So order all the parts for it. Put new crank bearings in it, seals in the bottom end. Put brand new OEM piston ring. I did it all OEM and Wasco. Except one thing, I put a hot cam stage 1 in it because of the issue I'm about to tell you about. So I get it all back together. Put it all in time. New timing chain, new jug, new head, new valves. I did the Wasco Garage Buddy valve kit, which is all steel valve kit, no titanium, so the intakes won't wear out that fast. New springs, retainers, seals, all that. Brand new head, jug, pit, everything, complete rebuild. Put it all back together, put it in time. I kicked it, and I kicked it. It tried to hit a little bit, but nothing. I kicked it till my foot was sore. So I'm like, what's going on here? So get to looking at the cam. I started looking at the cam. And on the CRFs, they're a single cam. So if you can see this. So when it's in the bike, basically this is pretty much like this, lined up with when it's all in time, the bolts will be dead top, center, and bottom, just like this. Now if you look over here to the side, you see the cam lobes. They're straight across from it lining up. So when it dropped the valve, it spun the sprocket. So the cam lobes, even though everything was to the T in time, this was spun, and that was the only thing I didn't get because it didn't look in bad shape. It really didn't. But let's see if I can get a better angle. So if this is in the bike, when it's in time, top dead center, the cog and everything's lined up, it'll be straight up and down like this. Well, the cam lobes on this one spun, so they're facing straight backwards. A good Honda cam lobes will be coming up this way. So always remember, don't look over that. When this is straight up and down in time, these cam lobes, the top of these cam lobes should be about right in this area. So everything was in time perfectly to the eye, but would not start because these cam lobes spun when it dropped the valve. So if you're having this problem, you just spent $3,000 on a complete rebuild. Get it all back together. You got gas. You're getting gas. You're getting plenty of spark. It ain't hitting. Look at your cam if you ain't replaced it. Because this was spun and it wasn't. It looked like it was in time, but it really wasn't. So on a good one, the end of the cam lobes is going to be up here, facing like this way.